Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful Christmas stockings. Here I am drawing a beautiful stockings and then I will color it. So let's follow me and try to draw with me. I am drawing here one snowman and a Santa Claus. Let's decorate the stockings. Let's draw some chocolates and gift box in these stockings. I draw the picture, now it's time to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. Here I am using brush pen color to color it. Wow, the stockings is looking so beautiful. You should also try it at home. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll be back with new videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.